This is what we'll be making today. Some potato, snacks and sauce. Welcome to my channel. I am the cook, where we make it taste. Before we go any further, click on the like button, share it and subscribe. So let's get on. So these are the things we'll be using: spring onions and a third of bulb onion, the normal onions, and this will be used to make our sauce, which will be the onions, the bulb and the spring onions, and some soy sauce, some sugar, and oyster, plus lemon juice to add in the flavor, and we stir to get our sauce, and we set aside. Then now we go to the main thing, the potato snacks, which will be peeling some normal potatoes and grating them, and after grating them we'll set them aside on a sieve to dry, because we don't want it to be soggy. So we'll set them aside to dry, and after they're dried we'll grate in some carrots, and we mix it together with cornstarch and salt, and we mix it together, and simply that's the whole recipe of what we'll be making today. And after you mix it together, it's ready to get on fire and be cooked. So you oil it pan and set portions. You can set them on different sizes as you wish, but this is how I like them, and let them cook. And don't forget to subscribe. After a while you flip them over, and literally that's it. This recipe is so easy to make, and I hope you enjoy it. Let me get your feedback in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.